Episode 12 of Learn Piano in the Car. I'm Carol Brotherston. Today we're looking at the different types of notes you might encounter on sheet music. I'm only going to look at two. These are called the semibreve, which is also known as a whole note. A whole note has a count of 4 beats, which I'm going to demonstrate on my keyboard. Can you hear that? I have it in front of me. So, we count, this is your steady beat. Talked about this before. It's like a ticking clock in music. The beat just stays steady all the way through. So, a whole note holds for 4 beats, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Okay, so it can change note on the piano, but a whole note written on a stave or a staff, which is the 5 parallel lines if you remember. A whole note, you would hold it for 4 beats. Now, a whole note is also known as a semibreve. I said that a moment ago. It's the same thing, it's a whole note. And it looks like an oval. So it's like an egg turned on its side, that kind of shape. And it's see-through. That is the semibreve whole note. Another kind of note is a crotchet. A crotchet is black, so the head of the note, the oval part of it, is black, and it has a stem, which is a vertical line attached to it. The stem always goes, well, if the head of the note is at the bottom of the stave, the stem goes up to from the right. Like that, if you can see what I'm doing. And if the head of the note is above the middle line of the stave, the stem goes down from the left. Okay, so the crotchet is black. The head of the note is black. A crotchet is a 1-beat note, also known as a quarter note. If you think about the semibreve is 4 beats, so the whole note, semibreve, is 4 beats. The crotchet is a quarter note, it's only 1 beat. I want you to think about how many crotchets you would play in the time of 1 semibreve, or how many quarter notes you would play in the time of 1 whole note. There's a big clue when you hear it like that. Here's my steady beat again. This time I'll play 4 crotchets, then a semibreve. Steady beat. And again. 2, 3, 4 crotchets, crotchet, 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 semibreve, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and that's all for today. Just the 2 notes I want you to remember. I'll introduce more notes tomorrow, more types of notes, because there are several. Just remember that the semibreve 4 beats is a whole note. The crotchet, which is a quarter note, the crotchet is a quarter note. So did you get the answer to the question before? There are 4 quarter notes in the same time as 1 semibreve, because obviously 4 quarters make 1 whole, and the semibreve is a whole note. Ta-da! Right. I'll revisit this, as I said, another day with some more examples of notes. You can get free resources on my website, www.perfectpiano.org.uk, and email any questions at all to info@themusicroom.org.uk. I'm Carol Brotherston. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.